Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share 5 useful websites you should be using right now. Yes, in this video is very useful website where you are using daily purposes for your routine work. Let's see what are the beautiful useful websites. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, the first website I would like to share, www.remove.bg. Yes, we can remove image background 100% automatically and free. So using this website, you can able to remove your background images and you can able to fix in a different kind of images. As you see, for the people or the product or the animals or car or graphics, whatever things you can able to make, and you can able to remove the background images and you can change according to the needs. So as you see these images, we can able to make that kind of images. So this is a useful website. We can able to upload the image, we can able to remove our background images. For example, I have one image, so I would like to remove the background image. Just upload the image and the images is uploaded. You can able to see, yes, my original image is here. I can remove the background, I can able to download the image. So this is a easy where you can able to use this website as a model and regular usage of, for example, product or any other animals or any other graphics things you want to make it, you can remove as a freeware. So this is a easy one, you can able to remove your background. Yes, so the second website I would like to share about, noises.online. So using this website, you can able to get your ideas, best experience with the headphone. So with your boring times, if you want to listen a different kind of noises, so that your mind will be clear. For example, I just click this image, so now you can able to listen. So this is fire or any other wind effects or any other ocean or. So if you want to listen this kind of a music, so you can able to play and you can able to customize which sound you want to listen and you can get that. So yes, so both this sound I love, so this sound I love to listen for an hour. So I want to download this one, just a click, so generate as a WAV format, you can able to download and you can able to listen the music. So this is a easy step, you can use this website to make your own sound. Yes, so the third one I would like to share about the website called Timeanddate.com. So this is a beautiful website where you can get your current time, date and time zone, holidays and time zones. Everything will be there. For example, this website is contained about a sun and moon weather and application, everything will be there. So in this website, the beautiful things were the calculators. So for example, date to date calculator duration. For example, if I have started the project today, so when I'm going to end the project, for example, today date is 26/1/2021, I want to end the project on February 22nd. So February 22nd, I want to end the project, means how many days and how many times it will take for I complete my project. For example, calculate duration. While you calculate duration, so from the date and to date is included, total days 27 days I have taken. For example, alternative time unit, for example, how many units of seconds you have used, how many minutes and how many hours and how many days and how many weeks, everything will be calculated over there. So this is an easy way you can able to calculate and say to your client members, for example, if you have the project start and end time, whatever times you given, automatically it will be displayed over there. So this is a super website, timeanddate.com, which is easy for access all kind of dates and times format. And the fourth website I would like to share about, welcomes to pool.io. For example, pools.io. This is a website which you can able to generate the polling option and you can share your link to the social media so that the people, those who are seeing, automatically they can answer. for the particular questions. So using this option, you can able to create your polling message and you can share with your audience. For example, I have the question and this is my poll option. If you want to add another option, so you can add the another option. I just click create this poll. So while I create this poll, automatically my poll is created, so that which social media you love it in 2021 I can able to show. So how many members have voted. So for example, they will vote for the WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter. They can choose according to. If you want to share this one as a social media, just hit the button sharing option. So you can copy the poll option and you can paste it over there in the website and you can get the options. For example, if you want to vote for the things, you can able to vote for the WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. So I have chosen and I can submit the result, so that 100% of poll options is working properly. So this is a freeware. Using this pool.io, you can able to get an idea of how many of the love members are there in this social media or any other polling option. You can get that. So this is an easy way. There is no coding options. Without any coding option, you can create the poll and you can share the information with your audience or your friends already. Yes, the final one, the fifth one, which is lovable one for the pixels.com. Yes, pixels.com is user friendly for downloading the lot and lot of videos or images or any other things. Yes, for example, I would like to download kind of people or their videos or anything else. I can able to get an image with the freeware. For example, this is a photo and this is a video and this is a usage. For example, videos, if you want to take a people video, so you can use as a freeware for the YouTube videos or any other social media purpose. You can able to edit and make it as a video format. If you want to copyright, without any copyright, if you want to download the videos, means you can use this website and you can download that. And photos also, if you want any other photos for the people or any other animals or office or teams, whatever things, whatever information. For example, animals, I can search and I can get different kind of animals. This is a beautiful images where share the different kind of uses. You can get the images for the free uses, freeware. So videos, if you want any other videos about the animals, you can use as a freeware for the copyrights. So there is no issue will come. So you can download and use as a copyrights videos and the photographs. So that this is a useful for YouTube videos creation or any other social media works. You can get it. So these are the 5 variety of website which you can able to remove your background image. You can able to listen your audio background for the different kind of ways, and you can calculate your duration, you can poll it, you can download the images and videos. Using this websites, you can get a lot of experience with that. You should regularly use for this websites to get all the things without any other login pages, any other things you can able to use as a freeware. So this is the easy stuff. I regularly use this kind of website for the useful website, so that I love this website, so that I would like to share with you. So if you have any other comments, you can give your comments box, so that I can able to get an idea of the different kind of websites. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.